Hi friends, my name is Gunjan and welcome to my channel. So in my previous recipe where I made my keto buns, my easy keto buns, and in that recipe we were left out with 6 egg yolks, which was too much, and I told you guys that I will come up with some amazing recipes in which I am going to show you how you can utilize those egg yolks in your recipes. Today it's one of those recipes. I'm going to make easy keto custard. I'm going to make vanilla flavored custard because I absolutely love vanilla, and this is an amazing custard recipe. I think from kids to adults, everyone likes this custard, and I think this remind me of my childhood where I used to gulp down custard like anything. Forget about that. Okay, but today I'm not going to make that custard. I'm going to make the keto version of keto vanilla custard. Plus, if you want to make this custard in non-dairy version, do check out my description box below, in which I have mentioned ingredients which you can use to make non-dairy version of keto custard. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and check out the recipe. But before that, if you are new to my channel, a very warm welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it. Now let's go ahead and check out the recipe. So let's begin with our keto vanilla custard recipe. You can call this egg custard also. So not technically egg custard because we are just going to use egg yolks which were left over from our keto bun recipe. So here is my 6 egg yolks, and to this I am adding 3 tablespoons of sweetener. This is blend of erythritol and stevia, and give this all a good mix until sugar is completely dissolved in egg yolk mixture. At this point you can alternatively use your hand blender also if you are happy to do extra dishes. I don't want to do that, so I am just going ahead and whisking this. Don't worry, it won't take long, and once it's done, set this aside. Next, here I have taken a medium sized saucepan, and to this I am adding 1 cup of full fat heavy whipping cream, and to this I am adding half a cup of almond milk because I like the blend of heavy whipping cream and almond milk, but you can definitely sub this for more whipping cream. In goes some vanilla extract, and I'm adding pinch of salt to this to balance out the sweetness. And now let's move on to our burner. And here I have set my burner at medium low flame. Now you don't have to cook this mixture, you just need to simmer this. So you need to simmer this until you see some bubbles forming around the edges, as you can see it here. As soon as you see this, turn off your gas and remove your saucepan from the burner. Now next step is we are going to combine our egg yolk and cream mixture. So here basically we are going to temper the egg, in which we are going to gradually increase the temperature of egg so that it does not scramble up, and for that you have to add your cream mixture as slowly as possible while continuously stirring your egg yolk mixture. This is a very critical step, so be very patient while mixing in, because if your egg scrambles up, then you have to start everything all over again. So give this a real good time. Now once this is well combined, we will transfer this mixture back to our saucepan and we will move back to our burner. Now here I have set my burner on very low flame, and you just have to cook this until your mixture start thickening up, and you have to continuously whisk this while this is cooking. This will not take long. I think it will take around 1 to 3 minutes. And once it has nicely thickened up like this, switch off your gas and remove your saucepan from the burner. Now you can serve this as you like, you can eat this as you like. I personally like eating my keto vanilla custard cold, so I usually pop this into my refrigerator and serve this with some berries and some chopped nuts. Vanilla custard is so classic and you can never go wrong with this. Everyone in your family will love this. I hope you like my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you.